Welcome. Welcome, everyone, to the Stormo Symposium on Computational Biology. Today, we're celebrating. Let me begin by thanking the organization committee led by Drs. Tim Shadow, Guoyan Zhao, Mike White, Nancy Sacconi, Kai Tan, as well as Michelle Gibbs and Eliza Gan for putting together this wonderful venue and programs. Let me also thank and welcome our distinguished guests and speakers. Let me welcome Gary's family, and also let me thank our sponsors, as well as students, trainees, and volunteers for making this day a very, very special day. Today, we're celebrating Gary's 40 years of career and the many, many generations of scientists that he has trained. Throughout Gary's career, he has been at the very front end, forefront of the effort to apply information and probability theory to the analysis of DNA, RNA, and protein sequences. It is not an exaggeration to say that Gary is one of the 4 or 5 people who founded a field, the field of computational molecular biology, that now permeates all of biological and biomedical researches. Gary pioneered some of the initial algorithms and methods for analyzing DNA sequence information that accumulated through the 1970s and 80s. Gary is among the very first to apply neural network to analyze biological sequences. He introduced the use of weight matrices for representing the specificity of nucleic acid binding proteins. He developed information theory approaches to analyze binding sites in DNA and RNA. And he also incorporated phylogenetic analysis into sequence analysis. His work paved the way for the use of hidden Markov models and many other models, which have since become widely used by the field and become an extremely productive means for analyzing DNA, RNA, and protein sequences. This symposium honors the pioneering contribution of Dr. Gary Stormo to the field of computational biology. And Gary came to WashU and founded the Computational and Systems Biology Ph.D. program. So we're celebrating for his achievement both in computational biology as a scientist, as well as an educator in computational and system biology. This program brings together Gary's mentors, friends, collaborators, colleagues, as well as former trainees to discuss the history of the field, their work with Gary, and current developments and computational biology that in many ways build on Gary's work. Thank you for joining us to celebrate Gary's achievements. So throughout today, we'll have students introducing our distinguished guest speaker. So now I'm going to yield the stage to Lloyd, who's going to introduce our first keynote speaker of the day. Thank you.